It's a new month, which means we have a new cookie here at Gideon's. But should it be on your list? We're going to find out. Hey there, Denny here from Disney Springs. I'm here at Gideon's Bakehouse, and it is time to get our over-the-top cookie on. But not just that, it's time to get our cold brew on, because every week in the month of March, Steve Lewis and the team here at Gideon's will be featuring a different cold brew. This week, it's Ginger Snap. There's the apple of my eye right there. The limited edition turtle cookie. Can I have one of the turtle cookies, please? And then the Ginger Snap is this week's cold brew of the week, right? I would like that, please. I'm going to have a small so I can sleep tonight, but I'll be back. Hello, dear. Snack time. Thank you so much. All right. Have a great one. Okay, I've got the goods. Off we go. Into the sun. Thank you. It's actually evening, like early evening, so it's not bad, but I need to go get to my spot. If you've watched the channel, you know my spot for eating all things cookies here at Gideon's. Right around the corner here, still in the glow, in the chocolate scent of Gideon's, but kind of away from crowds and such. Friends, this is the Ginger Snap Cold Brew. Let us just take a peek at this little baby. Oh my gosh, does that look amazing. I love Ginger Snap cookies, so I am hoping that this is perfect, is what I want. I love that we've got the little Valentine sleeve on the side. Morning Joe is our character of the month here, our morsels character of the month at Gideon's, and whenever he's around, Steve, who is the head honcho of all things Gideon's, so when I say the name Steve, you know, but Steve said that when you see Morning Joe, you know that coffee is not far behind, which is why we've got 4 unique coffee flavors, cold brew flavors, during the month of March. Just taking a quick break from my Gideon's Bakehouse visit for a super thanks shout out. Super thanks shout out! I have 3 amazing people who have given super thanks recently, and I want to give them a huge shout out. First things first, Rebecca. Rebecca, thank you so much for supporting the channel, for all of your encouragement. Rebecca, thank you for your super thanks. I really appreciate it. Deb K, thank you so much for your continued support of the channel. I so appreciate you. And then Sarah, thank you so much, Sarah, for your recent super thanks. You are so appreciated. Hey, if you don't know what a super thanks is, it's a way to give a monetary gift to a creator here on YouTube. If you scroll down to the like button, hit that like button while you're there, please. Then scroll over and you'll find sometimes 3 dots. Just click on that and you'll see the super thanks. It's kind of a heart and there's a $sign. You can pick the amount of your choosing, and it really is the biggest blessing to someone here on YouTube. So many thanks to Rebecca and Sarah and Deb for their super thanks. Back to the review and back to Gideon's. I will say it looks like this has also become stroller parking for Gideon's. I'm going to turn this around so you can see. Look at all the strollers. It's like stroller city right now. I'm going to go ahead and swig this, and then you and I are going to talk about the 4 different cold brews that are going to be introduced, highlighted this month. But starting with the Ginger Snap. Cheers. Oh, we're going to take another sip. Holy cow. Okay. This is so Ginger Snap. Oh, and there it is. There's that bitter ginger, like that. I want to say, I mean, you know, if you enjoy ginger, or if you don't enjoy ginger, you really know. The bite that ginger has, it's got that bite. It's also got, it almost tastes like cookie pieces inside, like granulated cookie. I love ginger snaps. I love that bite of the ginger. I love the snap of the ginger snap. Like, if you're gonna say something is a ginger snap, it needs to have that punch to it, and it needs to also really crunch. It's got to snap. Oh, this is delicious. If you have never had one of Gideon's cold brews, there are a couple things you need to know. Number one, they are all vegan, which as the mom of a vegan, I really appreciate. Now, there aren't any cookies that vegans can have at Gideon's, but thankfully, there are cold brews. Every cold brew that they brew is made with oat milk. And the ones that they typically have on tap, like on any given day, is peanut butter, which is stellar, cookie butter, butterscotch, French toast, and classic. It says it right here, all coffees use oat milk and are vegan, and the beans are proudly locally roasted. And fun fact, roasted by Lineage Coffee Roasters. If you ever get over to East End Market, you get a cookie at Gideon's, at the original Gideon's, where it's much easier to get cookies. And then you go to the back of the hall and you have Lineage coffee. And my suggestion, if you're going by Lineage, I would suggest getting their mocha. It's made with French baking chocolate. What is not to love about that? And if you want to be a little extra, and who doesn't with their coffee, tip of the hat to you if you do, put honey in it. Special, spectacular depth of flavor, that cocoa flavor, chocolate flavor is fantastic. Oh, that is 2 thumbs up. That is many, many, many thumbs up. I love that. Let's talk about the 4, before I get into this cookie, we need to go over the 4 different cold brew flavors that will be featured this month. Oh, and I will be here. As I again peruse the list, I am affirming the fact that I will be here every single week getting the featured cold brew. So first week, Ginger Snap. Second week, honey cinnamon. Honey cinnamon, yes. Third week, mint cookies and cream. Like cookies and cream. And then coconut cream. Coconut cream is that 4th week. So I love that so much. Now, the cookie of the month here during the month of March is the turtle cookie, which features premium chocolates, homemade caramel that Steve says often bursts out of the sides, and whole candied pecans sprinkled with their signature sea salt. Homemade caramel. Homemade caramel. Friends, we need go no further in my mind than homemade caramel, and oh yeah, they're candied pecans, which if you've ever had Stuart Valencia's cookie, which is the orange pecan cookie that sometimes comes around in the summer, you know how good it is. That's my favorite cookie that they have ever done here, is that Stuart Valencia, Stuart's cookie, as it's fondly called. There's our limited edition cookie wrapper. That makes me so happy. It's the little things for me, friends. It's so the little things. I tell you, oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. Holy cow. This thing, look at this cookie. Oh my gosh. There's the back of it. Oh, divine. Look at those huge chocolate chips on top. Oh, I got to snap some pictures. I have to appreciate the beauty, and then we will gobble that beauty down. Gobble it. Oh, friends, it is so delightful to be here right now to get to eat this cookie. Remember that Steve mentioned that the caramel, the house-made caramel, might come out of the sides. You can actually see it right here. That is some of the caramel that has come out and has caramelized there during the baking process. I'm just going to snap a bit of that off. Holy cow. Sweet with, it's almost like a nutty flavor. We are going to break this thing on camera, you and me. Oh, friends, look at that. Just look at that. So we have got pecans inside. We have that wonderful cookie base. And look at the caramel. Again, coming out of the sides. It's time to jump into this thing. Here we go. I'm going to take that caramel bite. Holy cow. The salty with the sweet, perfectly blended, balanced. This is a great cookie for those who are like, I'm not the biggest chocolate fan, if you fall into that category, this is for you. 100%, this is for you. And I need the crunch on those candied pecans. Outrageous. That is so very good. Let's just look at that caramel. Okay, so let's answer the question about if this should be on your lineup. Yes, it should, in my mind, be on your lineup if you're going to be here during the month of March or any other time that the turtle cookie returns here to Gideon's. I will say, if you're not a fan of nuts in your baked goods, which I am not always. Fun fact, I'm not always a fan of nuts in my baked goods. You might think, after watching this channel, she'll eat anything at any time, you know. Put some sugar in it and we'll be fine. But that's actually not the case. Most Gideon's cookies I enjoy. There's one I don't. There's one I do not. And maybe we'll discover that. We'll cross that bridge when we get there in the future. But this won't be the cookie for you if you don't enjoy nuts in your cookies. This is also not the cookie for you if you're looking for something that's like outrageously over-the-top chocolatey. There are other cookies on Gideon's lineup, starting with the original chocolate chip that I would recommend if you're like a chocolate fiend. Also, the evening coffee cake cookie, which is like the morning coffee cake cookie, except the base is chocolate rather than it being a vanilla bean base. So keep that in mind. That's my recommendation to you. This cookie is for you if chocolate like isn't your like jam. If it's like, you know, if we have some chocolate, that's good, but I'd also like other things. And if you're a caramel fan, please get this cookie. I will be savoring this. I adore caramel. So, yeah. Gooey, slightly crunchy, caramelized caramel. Yes, please. Oh, it's so good. The Ginger Snap Cold Brew. If you don't like that bite of ginger, that taste that's a little blunt, I want to say, you're not going to enjoy this. Definitely get their peanut butter cold brew or one of their other ones. I will be back for the honey cinnamon next week, and I cannot wait. Before I sign off today, I got to give a huge shout out to the whole 9 Yards team. They are the magic makers behind this channel. You can join for as little as $5 a month. We do exclusive live streams. Depending on the tier that you join, you may even get a team Zoom call, and we call that our business meeting. I call it our business meeting. I'd love to have you join in. You'll find the link down in our description box. And as always, you can follow me on Instagram for all the goofy things I get up to in between the videos at Denny_Sunderly. Thank you so much for watching today. I am so, I do want to take a minute and just thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of the community. And you make such a difference. You just being here, commenting, sharing the video, subscribing, and giving a like it means so much. So thank you. Let me know down in the description box which snack here at Disney Springs you'd like to see me eat next. I eat for you. Thanks so much for watching, friends. You are loved. Take good care. Bye.